I heard about our team from my brother. He used to be a member on the team, and it was always just really interesting to me. I went over to his competitions, and I always enjoyed the environment. And I just thought it was really cool, and it was something that I wanted to do when I got into high school.
When I first joined the team, an older returning member asked me if I wanted to try CNC. He taught me the ins and outs of CNC, and now I feel like I know everything about it. I feel like it's something that I can contribute to the team, and it's all thanks to him coming and teaching me all those skills that I needed. And for me, I really want to carry that on and give those to a younger member as that older member had given to me.
Gear Scout is a free web-based scouting app that we allow every team in the world to use, and this really helps teams, especially teams with less students or less resources, who want to gather the same quality and amount of data that bigger teams do while scouting. This application gives them that opportunity, and it's very easy to use and implement in any team. That's why I believe Gear Scout doesn't only benefit us, but through our motto, "First is for everyone," it gives every team equal opportunities in scouting.
I think my favorite initiative is our community helping utility companion for kickball or chuck device. And that is because when we deliver these devices, our students go in and they play kickball with the students that we're giving them to. And those interactions are just the most purest interactions I think I've ever seen, because just seeing their smiles light up and being able to see where all of our hard work goes at the end of the day really helps to ignite a passion inside of me.
I see the smiling faces of those little girls during, our winter camps and during our Girls in STEM events. And I see myself. And I see the little girl who would have loved that and didn't know that she wanted to do STEM until sophomore year of high school. That is just amazing, the stuff that we can do to reach out to those girls in the way that I wish I could have been reached out to.
It doesn't take a lot for us to make an impact. We might just think about it as like something so little and insignificant at times, but like seeing it firsthand is so much different. Being able to see these little smaller students getting their STEM kits or getting their adaptive toys for the first time and seeing the smiles on their faces, it's something that will teach you that what we do is important and we're more than just making a robot for a competition.
We know what is needed in our community because our team has become an active part of it. Not only do our students go to these schools, but they also give back to their elementary schools and their community through these projects.